celebrated 75th Republic Day of India. That is why we are gathered here. Today I am speak few words about Republic Day, which is a very special day for all Indians, and wish to all of you a very happy Republic Day. India celebrated Republic Day every year on 26th of January from 1915 because at this day India was declared as a republic country. As well as constitutions of India come into force after independence to long years of struggle. India got independence 15th of August 1947 and 2.5 years later it became a democratic republic. Republic Day in India had a great importance in the history. It tells us all about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters. Thank you.